There has to be a better way to cool down this space.
If you've ever tried working in a garage during the summer, then you know just how brutal it can get. Here in Florida, my garage regularly reaches temperatures of 95 degrees or higher, making it almost impossible to comfortably work on projects, film videos, or spend any significant amount of time out there. But today, I think we have a solution for that. We are testing the ZAFRO portable air conditioner to see if it can turn this hot garage into a nice, comfortable workspace. We'll go through features, installation process, app controls, and most importantly, see how much this unit can actually lower the temperature over several hours of real-world operation. So let's get this thing out of the box and see if this portable AC can beat the Florida heat. Joe, let's roll the clip and get this thing unboxed. This isn't just an air conditioner either. It's a 3-in-1 climate control system featuring cooling mode, fan mode, and dehumidifier mode. And the unit includes multiple fan speeds, allowing you to balance cooling performance and noise levels based on your particular needs. One feature that really stands out though is its smart connectivity. You can control the system through the onboard LED control panel, the included remote control, or on a smartphone or tablet via the app. And that means you can turn on the AC even before you walk into the room and have that space cooled down before you even arrive. And some additional features include a 24-hour programmable timer, sleep mode, quiet operation, self-evaporative technology, a washable air filter, and it even has built-in caster wheels. I found that out immediately in the garage and I was super hyped. This makes it so easy to move around. Now let's get this unit installed and see how easy the setup process really is. And once the box is open, you're gonna find this inside the box. The actual portable AC unit from ZAFRO, 2 exhaust hoses, there's double vents on the back, a window vent kit with multiple plates depending on your window size, a remote control, installation hardware, and also user documentation. Now, one thing I really like about portable air conditioners is that they don't require permanent installation. You can just assemble a few basic parts and you can get one running in just a few minutes. And the first step is assembling the window vent plate. Now basically this comes with multiple plates that you can configure depending on the width of your window, and there's a nice size guide that is provided to show you how to put those together and a really cool installation video that I will link in the description. I measured mine, found the perfect width, and went ahead and installed the window plate. After I installed the plate, I went ahead and put foam insulation around the plate to keep everything sealed. Now this is a must-have. You have to have this plate installed to expel the hot air from the garage through the window. This is how all the hot air gets outside. You can't just install it and put the hot air back into the room. It will not work properly. So make sure you have a good venting area for your portable AC. And now that installation is complete, you can see the temperature here in the garage is exceeding 90 degrees. We're going to go ahead and set the ZAFRO portable AC to the minimum temperature setting that we can and see what happens. And I also selected extra for extra cooling, and all the hot air is going right through the exhaust pipes right to the outside. So I set the target temperature to 61 degrees and let it run continuously. And then while that's running, I'll go take a break. And after our first check, you can see the temperature is already dropping in the garage. Let's let this thing keep running and you can already feel a difference in the temperature in the garage. Now a little bit later, I went out and checked the temperature again, and you can still see it dropping on the thermometer in the garage. It's becoming much more comfortable and the humidity level is actually dropping. You can actually tell this. And this is where portable air conditioners really start to shine, because they've had enough time to not only cool the air, but also the surfaces in the garage that get very hot. And compared to the starting temperature, this is a significant improvement and makes the garage far more useful for projects, vehicle maintenance, filming videos, or simply escaping the summer heat. Now, let's go back and take a look at the last temperature recorded here. This is where we started our cleanup effort to get all the boxes and everything out of the garage. And check out that temperature drop now. As it gets into evening time, the garage is getting cooler and cooler. Thanks a bunch, ZAFRO. Now, one of the standout features of this unit is the app control. Once connected to Wi-Fi, the app gives you access to most of the same controls available on the unit itself. And from the app, you can shut the unit off and on, you can adjust your temperature setting, you can change the fan speeds, you can switch operating modes, you can configure timers, and you can monitor the operation remotely. And this means you can start cooling your garage on hot days before walking outside, which is extremely useful. The app setup is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to connect the unit to your home Wi-Fi network. For anyone who loves smart home technology, this adds a level of extra convenience compared to traditional portable air conditioners. After spending several hours with the ZAFRO portable air conditioner, I'm really impressed on how much it improved the comfort level in my garage over there. Now, cooling power is important, but if it sounds like a jet engine, that kind of defeats the purpose. And the ZAFRO unit features both energy saving mode and sleep mode. So now let's test the sound. ZAFRO claims this unit can run as low as 38 decibels in sleep mode. So I'm going to stop talking for a few seconds and let you hear exactly what it sounds like. And honestly, that's really impressive. For something with this kind of cooling power, it stays surprisingly quiet, which helps your everyday life and your sleep. We started at above 95 degrees, and that place became a much more comfortable environment for working on golf carts, scooters, and e-bikes, filming videos, or whatever else I need to do in the garage. The installation was simple, the smart controls worked well, and the cooling performance made a noticeable difference. If you have a garage, a workshop, a home office, a game room, or any space that needs supplemental cooling, this portable AC is definitely worth considering. One thing I really appreciate about the ZAFRO is that it doesn't just cool effectively, it also does it efficiently. Instead of trying to cool an entire home, this portable unit focuses on the space you're actually using, which can help reduce energy consumption compared to running your central AC system all day. Another pleasant surprise is how quiet the unit is during operation. Even while cooling this garage, the noise level is low enough that I can comfortably film videos, work on projects, listen to music, or take phone calls without being distracted by excessive fan noise. If you're looking for a cooling solution that's both energy conscious and comfortable to be around for hours at a time, the ZAFRO does a great job balancing performance with everyday usability. And if you'd like to learn more or pick up one for yourself, check out the link down below in the description. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to both channels. We also have Second Car Street Racing, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the product reviews and the real world testing videos. Thanks for watching as usual. We'll see you in the next one. I have to go edit this video. Joe, when I get out of here, shut off the cameras.